All right, guys. It's me and Jonathan. Well, turn towards the camera. We're doing a fluid check on Jonathan's Subaru today.
No.
Yeah or nah?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've driven it a couple 100 miles now, so we got to make sure everything's holding up well. It seems to, but you never know until you check. So let's hop to it. Open her up. I wrote our channel's initials on the hood too in the drops. All right, John, what are you checking?
The coolant. There's some lines down here. It's got to be at this line, and it's empty. So it was low before. And then.
So the coolant is low.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you checking next?
I'm gonna check the oil.
What's it supposed to look like or feel like?
It's supposed to be slippery.
Supposed to be slippery, like what?
When you rub it, it's supposed to feel good, like oil.
Smooth, no grits, not thick.
Well, if it feels close to new oil, that's what it's supposed to be.
All right, and then so you dip it back in after you wipe it off. You take it off, wipe it off, then you dip it back in to see
when you wipe it off, you're supposed to look at these. This is the full mark. That is the low mark. That is the full one. And it was right there, so it's good enough.
Good enough? It's just enough?
Yeah, I could put oil in it. I got the oil in the back of the car.
Well,
let me go get the coolant.
Do we know if your engine burns up oil yet? We're gonna find out.
Just pour this all over the engine. It'll be fine.
Oh yeah, proven well so far.
I told you I was gonna do it.
So, Jonathan's adding water right now, and water isn't coolant or antifreeze. I say antifreeze, not antifreeze, but we get this 100% pure stuff, so we 50-50 it.
Yeah, it's cheaper that way.
It is cheaper that way. You get twice the amount.
Yeah, because the 50-50 stuff's the same price as this stuff.
Some people like to do it correctly, where they like pre-mix it outside of it. We eyeball it, and it's worked every time. So, take your own nonsense at your own risk.
That's good.
Yep. We're doing this without Darian today because he did teach us how to do all the things, so we're perfectly competent doing this stuff without him.
So that's...
Not going to put oil in it, though.
Well, you want me to go get the oil, pour that on the engine, too?
Yeah, maybe not. All right, guys. So, finished up doing the fluids. This was a Subaru we worked on this Wednesday's video 2 days ago. And next Wednesday is going to be the rest of it. It's a longer one, but it's good stuff. And we fix it up, redo the head gaskets. Well, put new head gaskets on it. And Darian shows folks how to use a torque wrench and how to put the timing belt back on. So it's going to be exciting stuff. And more adventuring out in the woods with the dogs. So look forward to it.